Renovation update, guys. So we got our laundry machine back, the washer. It's now hooked up to that box that I was telling you about right there. See how nice and neat that is? Everything has a place. The tube just goes right in the middle. It's beautiful. So now we can start washing again, which is awesome. That's really fucking great. Now, if we turn over here, you can see that the piping and everything is now fully actually complete. Everything is connected to where it should be. The pump is connected as well. So it looks very nice. It just sits right there beside the laundry machine. And right here where this laundry machine is, there's going to be a stacker eventually. So laundry, washer and dryer combo. Now, if you look on the floor here, it's a little wet. It's because they're leveling that area. It wasn't leveled very well at all, and it really needed to be leveled. So they're doing that, which is nice. And we'll come back in here, and they did a bunch of cleanup. This is a bunch of stuff like fixtures, bathroom stuff that's going to get set up. But they did a bunch of cleanup, and they brought in the rest of the insulation, what they're going to use to insulate this whole place. And yeah, wow, there's so much room in here. Now that you've actually seen it completely cleaned up without any junk from either us or the contractors or the workers. But look at that. It's going to look beautiful in here. I'm really excited. So now let's go into the hallway in the main living room area where you're going to see a big surprise. As you can see, there's primer everywhere. So this is just the first coat. They just threw on primer, and it's they did that in every single room and the hallway. I think there's like one spot where they haven't done yet, but let's take a look in here. Here they're just doing their, the normal white paint. They already primed it and they put on another coat. There it was all messed up, cracked, and it wasn't leveled at all. So they leveled that off a little bit, which is really nice. We'll come out of here in that room and we'll continue into the main living area and kitchen. Wow, look at that. That's the only section they didn't finish because it's still, it needs to dry. They still had a couple places to patch and some places they needed to sand. So it was a big hole, so it needs to dry before they apply anything. But yeah, no, they got basically primer everywhere. They're getting ready to just paint this whole place, which is really nice. I'm excited. It already looks pretty interesting. Kind of looks like clouds. That's what it reminds me of. It's kind of playful. So come over here and boom, look at that. We have installed the countertop. We tried to get one that kind of matches the existing one. It's a little bit lighter in color, but it's basically the same thing. The sink is just going to go right into there. We just don't have the faucet yet. That's on back order, but that should be here next week. And then they'll throw the sink in, they'll do the plumbing and whatnot. And then right under there is where the dishwasher is going to go. It's right in that section here. And then of course, they primed over here as well. And then up there because it was also brown. But yeah, lots of work was done recently. And I'm really happy because, I mean, these guys are hard workers. They're really doing a good job, and they're working quick because me and my family and we're all living in the same space upstairs right now, so we're excited for this to be done. And just before we're done here, they took that bed and some of that junk that was there, so no more garbage pile. Thought I'd update you on that. But yeah, once again, thanks for watching. It's exciting filming this stuff and then looking back at the old videos and the documentation process of this. And when I do get a comment, it's awesome. You guys are really nice and supportive. So thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.